Hello guys, this is Wellington Point from Brisbane's north. We come out here on a day trip. It's only about 50 odd kilometers from our base, and I thought we're gonna bring out the kids and have a bit of a family outing on this beautiful spot of Queensland. So we're going to look around here, and right now I'm actually walking on a sandbar as it's low tide, so this sandbar is being exposed and you can walk all the way over to King Island at low tide. So it is really a great spot to come out here and enjoy a bit of a sunshine. Still it's autumn, but in here in Australia, but it's still around 28 degrees or so. Is it alive?
Yeah.
Yeah? What's in here? Have a look. Wow, look at that. It's coming out.
Crab.
So now we are waiting for lunch. It's going to be fish and chips and some coke.
What about the fish and chips?
It's coming. How's that? Yes, please. Three, please.
Three?
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Smells good.
Doesn't look too much. I thought it's a bit more.
Should be fine.
Where's the chips?
What? There can't just be no chips.
They say there's chips, but
I mean, it's like, it said chips plural. They never said how many chips. It could just be like 5.
like 3 chips.
I mean, it still counts as chips.
I expected a little bit more food than that. But anyway, you'll find out soon enough.
Yes.
Stop and see what's in there, because it doesn't look very big to me. Surprise!
There's heaps of stuff.
Yeah? Oh, it is too. Okay.
But which one's which?
There's fish, there's chips, there's everything. What else?
Yeah.
What else?
I already said it, so that's all I have to do.
Come on, just say it again.
No.
Why not?
I like beans.
Huh?
I like beans.
Why?
Because beans are cute.
Okay, so what were you saying about camping before? Are we going camping again?
No.
Why not?
Because I didn't like it.
Come on, it wasn't that bad.
It was. Very, I did it.
Okay guys, so we ending this video here. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one somewhere in Australia.
Yeah.
We're going camping next week.
No.